Hey, this is James from CommandBar. Today we're launching Magic Tour Links, which are a super easy way to share hyper-personalized in-product walkthroughs/tours with your users. So let's take a look at how it works. We're going to do a kind of meta example. We're going to create a Magic Tour link for the CommandBar dashboard, which is where you'll go to try this out if you want. But just imagine this is your website or product here. So let's do it. We're going to create, well, let's talk about use cases. So bunch of different use cases for these Magic Tour links. You can embed them in empty states. You can embed them in content like blogs or changelogs, so users can trigger tours, right from content. You can share them with users directly when they write in through chat or Slack. A use case that I think is really cool and that we'll show here is taking a user who's actively onboarding, maybe a sales prospect, and creating kind of like a red carpet walkthrough that's made specifically for them. So let's go ahead and do that. First, we'll go to the page we want to create the tour from. And then we'll pop open the CommandBar Chrome extension. This is where you create CommandBar experiences, including nudges, which are our word for proactive user assistance. So like a modal or a tour. Create a nudge. And let's go ahead and create a tour for a specific prospect, Sally. And then we want to make this like super personalized so Sally knows that it's for her. So let's say welcome to CommandBar Sally. And we can use this to answer some questions Sally asked us about how integrations work in CommandBar. So time to answer your integration questions. Cool, let's do it. For the next step, maybe she asked about like how to import help docs and marketing site content into CommandBar, which is a separate CommandBar use case. So let's point out our Zendesk integration. This one is for your docs. I think you said you use Zendesk for your help center. Just make this super personalized. And then maybe we'll do one more. We'll show off WordPress. This one is for your marketing site. CommandBar supports unlimited sources. Cool. Let's make this a little spicier. So you can add other kind of components to CommandBar nudges. So you could add a survey if you want. You could add an image. You can embed help content. Let's go ahead and embed a video to the first one. Make it super obvious. We made this just for Sally. So you can paste a YouTube link here, but a really nice integration we just launched is Loom. And it's really nice for these personalized Magic Tours because you can just create a quick Loom video that's specifically for the recipient of your tour and embed that in the tour itself. So they know it's made just for you. So I just paste the Loom link and there's the nudge, or there's the Loom right in the nudge. Cool. So let's see how this looks. Just preview it. Great. Let's go. Boom, boom. Awesome. So now let's just set up the targeting. So targeting, normally if you're creating a product tour that's going to show up without the user explicitly triggering it, you want to use these who, where, when conditions to make it like super relevant, make sure we're only showing it to users who could benefit. Maybe we're only going to show this tour to like users who seem particularly confused, for example. That's one of our triggers. But in this case, we're just going to make it so this tour only triggers when the share link is viewed. So we'll set up targeting, save. Here we go, publish. This makes it shareable. And then now if we just click copy share link, we can share this with Sally. So if I click copy link and go to new page, voila. Well, the extension won't pop open for her, but here's our tour. Boom, boom. So that is how you can create hyper-personalized Magic Tour links for your users.